Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, as you guys can see, we are about to work with Rpgshow.com, and they sent me over this beautiful natural wave lace front wig with curtain bangs, and I got it in 18 inches. It is 250% density, and I got the number color 4. And it is like a reddish brown type of color. I don't even know how to describe it, but this is how the wig is looking like straight out of the package. Like, you guys can see that it's already curled for you. The knots are already bleached on the wig. It's pre-plucked, and it is a glueless wig. However, I'm gonna tack it down just to make sure that it stays in place, because even though it can be worn as a glueless, I want to make sure that it stays how I want it to stay. So it comes with the adjustable band on the inside and different types of combs. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, straight out of the package, the wigs seem kind of lumpy, and I already have a natural hump in my head, so it's like I don't want this to look like a Dolly Parton type of wig. You feel me? Like, we ain't trying to go for that vibe. Like, no ma'am. Like, we're not trying to do the high top Humpty Dump in the top with the bangs. It's just not happening. So I'm gonna use some wax, some hair wax, and my hot comb to try to let the hair lay flat on top, to get it as flat as I can. So you can use that method, and trust me sis, like, the hump will be gone. So I won't be using the ball cap method. As I said, this is a glueless wig, and sis, we don't need to do the extra stuff with the ball cap method. And I'm just praying that this wig turns out how I want it to look, like the vision I had in my head at this point. So I attached the band, and I'm praying like, God, please let this work out, because I was nervous. I had this wig for over a month before I actually did this video. That's how nervous I was for it. And at first, she's giving me real Tina Turner, you know, she's giving me real queen of rock and roll, you know what I'm saying? Like, she is ready to dip it and do it. I start doing the Tina Turner dance, like, girl, yeah, we are trying to go for that vibe. So we need to get her all the way together, because we're gonna turn her from Miss Tina Turner to Tina Snow. You feel me? We're trying to go for that hot girl, because it's a real hot girl summer. So the vibe we're going for is Tina Snow instead of Tina Turner. So I'm gonna go back in with my hot comb, you know, just to flatten the hump in the top some more. As I said, your girl got I got a hump head, you know what I'm saying? So I don't need my head to look more peased than it already looks. So I'm gonna take the hot comb, and I'm gonna try to get that flat, get the bangs to lay properly and all that ish. And the hair is free fall, meaning you can part it in the center, you can part it on the side, you can even wear the hair back if you wish to, but I'm trying to be lazy with this look, because if it's glueless, I'm gonna try to wear it as a glueless wig, you feel me? So I'm just trying to line up the frontal with my natural hair lining, just to make sure that it stays in place. I could have gone without tacking it down, like melting the lace, but I just wanted to make sure that the wig stayed in place. So I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be Freezing spray, and that's all that I'm gonna go in with. I'm not gonna do anything extra. I'm not even gonna use my blow dryer. I'm just doing this lightly, and then I'm gonna basically do the what's that called? It slipped my mind, but I'm gonna put the elastic band on it. The tension method, yes, that's the word I was looking for. I'm gonna use the tension method with the band and just make that melt just as is. It doesn't have to be perfect. All I'm trying to do is to just make sure that the lace stays in place. Now, once the lace is dry, I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace. Again, not aiming for perfection, child, so don't be criticizing how the lace is looking right now. We just want to make sure that the lace actually stays where I put it, you feel me? So I'm just gonna do it jaggedy a bit, cut off that excess lace, and then we are about to slay the hair. So I'm gonna bring down the bangs, and that's what I missed about bangs. You know, you got a jacked up frontal, like a cutting, and it's not gonna show because the bang's gonna cover it. Now, as I said, this is a free parting type of hair, and the knot's already bleached for you. Like, look how natural that knot is. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to pluck it, And what I want to do is I want to do more of a center part with it. So I got my tail comb, created the center part, and then I'm going to go back in with the hot comb to make sure that the parting lays, it stays in place. And I'm gonna just hot comb the bangs a little bit. And y'all want to be careful, like I still have flashbacks and childhood trauma from getting my hair hot combed and flat iron and all that stuff, so I'd be real careful with stuff like that. Now, even though this is a curtain bang type of wig, meaning that you could like do like, you know, those center bang with the center parting that they go like opposite direction, I wanted to do a full bang, so I'm gonna clip it a little bit because I don't want it to come too far down on my eyes. You know, I'm trying to see still, you feel me? I'm trying to see, so I'm just doing it lightly. It's better to do like very minimal cuts to a bang than to go full out with it, like to just test the waters as opposed to go full out cutting, because baby, you can't go back if you ruin the bangs, you know what I'm saying? So you got to be careful with it. Now I'm just going to create some body waves with this wand iron and just create some free fall type of wave with this hair. Now I'm going to go in with the flat iron for the bangs because we ain't trying to do the wand iron with the bangs. It just won't make any sense because of the blunt cut of the bangs. So I'm just going to go in with the flat iron and just do a little bump. You feel me? Do that black girl bump to get those bangs all the way together. So you see how we get it into the hot girl type of vibe as opposed to the 70s, like your mama and grandmama's type of look. You feel me? We ain't trying to do all of that. We trying to keep the style, you know, because, you know, fashion and styles come back, but you got to keep it modern at the same time. You feel me? So yeah, she's giving very much Tina Snow instead of Tina Turner. And that's basically it. So I'm just going to fool around with the hair until I get my desired look. And baby, that is basically it. Like, yeah, girl, play around with it. I was trying to do like the curtain bangs type of thing, but yeah, I'm going to go in with my full bangs. And that is all there is to this unit. Like, guys, it was super easy to style. It took me less than 30 minutes to actually style this unit. All the details will be in the description box down below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at That's Chev. And I'll see y'all in my next video. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella.